When we're proving if something's a function algebraically, the first thing we're going to do is solve for y. When I isolate y and I have a plus and a minus, that it indicates there's going to be two different y values when I plug in an x. So let me show you two examples. The first example, to solve for y, I'm going to subtract x squared to both sides. So y equals negative x squared plus 1. Because y is isolated and there's no plus and minus, this will be a function. The other way you can tell is you can just physically graph it. If I was to plug this in my calculator, my graph would look something like this. And I know by the vertical line test that a parabola is a function. The next problem, I'm going to add x to both sides. So y squared equals x plus 1. When I take the square root of both sides to isolate y, I have plus and minus x plus 1. This piece right here is going to say that that's not a function, because when I graph this, it will look something like this. Because I have to put it in my calculator, the positive version of this and the negative version of this, and then it's going to give me two parts, which when I use the vertical line test, it does not agree. Really, the overall matter is if y is to an even power, then it's going to be not a function. If it's to an odd power, it's a function. But read your directions. If it says to prove it algebraically, you must use algebra to express your answer.